how I improved my American accent for the pronunciation. This is really, really important subject or question for everyone. And when you will come for a American accent pronunciation, this is that you need only 5 techniques that I applied to improve. Okay, and in this video, my friend, I will tell you these 5 techniques that really, really helped in my real life, and still I am learning, and I am applying these techniques. So please see this full video, just 5 to 6 minutes needs to capture this, and you only need to apply these 5 techniques just daily, just 30 minutes maximum need every day, okay, for practice or for apply. So the first step is stop reading, start listening. That was my first mistake. I always just read, but I didn't listening. I know enough words for the basic English speaking. I see how Americans peoples are pronounce them or spelling them, but I don't listen. I just only read through English blogs, through like forums, through website articles. But I didn't try this practice for this for the listening, okay, because listening is very, very useful, because a child always start as a listener, okay, then he speak, okay. Like we are also come from the childhood, and we learn a language from just listening. So just start your listening level. Technique number 2 is copy native speaker. This techniques I really, really loved. Just you go to on YouTube, just see short video or long video, no problem if you have time, and then choose any native speaker who expert in English. Just see how they are saying. You don't need to just you don't need to caption, just see or listen how they are saying, what words they are spelling. Just copy them, okay. So slowly when you listen a sentence, just repeat it. So every time just repeat, pause the video, then repeat, pause the video, then repeat the second sentence. This is very, very important, my friend, and this every day you have to try it at least 10 minutes. So that's 10 minutes video. I think every day you see lots of videos, you are wasting lots of time. Also I wasted lots of times. So if I would also do this, I think I will also learn, I would also learn English speaking more and more earlier, okay. So this is the technique number 2. Technique number 3, learn sentence stress. Like American people so always love to like a sentence to make short. For example, they say like I'm good, okay, but we say like I am good, I am, so it will be short, I'm good, okay. For example, another sentence can be like what's up, okay, we say what's up. So you can also try or copy their styles and like how they make it short, okay. So what's up, they tell like what's up, okay. So this is just short. So more you see their video, more you note it, and more you like how they are saying. So slowly everything will capture in your mind, and just practice, it will also come from automatically from your mouth, okay. Tip number 4 is practice difficult sounds or sentence. I uploaded 2 or 3 days ago 10 tongue twists. This video is very, very really helpful for you, everyone. This one's helpful because when you practice it every day, like 30 minutes, I mentioned 10 tongue twists, like some big sentence. You can see please this video, your learning speaking everything will be very, very more faster, okay. On this video I said the 10 tongue twists how improved your English speaking, first, second, third, everything's like I mentioned a big sentence with some interesting way, and these are very popular in the world. Everyone's almost using these techniques and this tongue twists. I mean this 10 sentence, or lots of sentence have, but these are the most popular. So please see this video and try this, because these are the difficult. So when you are expert in difficult sentence, so the easier sentence will be more and more faster, okay. So start to saying difficult sentence. Tip number 5, record yourself. My friend, when I started English speaking, I also recorded. I also feel like some nervous. I thought that people may be laughing me, people may be criticizing me about my English. Yeah, it's really that my friends, my family, some of the peoples always laughed at me because of my English, but I didn't fear. I always think that if you want to expert in any skills, just practice. So for English, you have to record yourself. You have to if you have to stand in front of your mirror, or just set a camera that, hey, I am John, I live in America or Bangladesh, no problem. Just talk to the camera, just record, and then when you will record, you will see your video. You can see what is the mistakes you are doing, and then note it down and then improve it on the next video. Okay, because record video is very very helpful. I am also a real example. Okay, but I still learning. I'm recording, I'm developing. So this is very very helpful for your daily life English. So please, if you have no camera, if you have no like a good setup, you can just start like what you have. You can talk to the mirror, or if you have low camera, no problem. Just talk to in front of the camera. Just say some things. It will remove your fearness. It will remove your nervous everything. So the last thing is, remember, a good American accent is not need to be you like lots of English. You need to be natural, perfect, and just practice. Just practice. Everything comes will automatically. Okay, every English speaker, okay, they started practicing, they learned mistakes, they solved the mistake, and they also copy others styles, others speaking. So that's it, my friend. So please comment below what you are facing the problem, which if you have any help, okay, I will help you. Okay, and just please subscribe.